end up here in Shoal Bay. Yeah, the temperature is just good today, but the heat of the sun, it's hot. But overall, it's good. Car park is actually fully occupied. Start from the center all the way to where I park. Yeah, I want to park here on this side, but yeah, no vacancy. There are actually some people, yeah, swimming. I know that in Europe, yeah, this weather, this temperature is summer for them. Look at this one. In memory of Phil Bose, still watching over the swimmers. Home of the T-Bugs, 1993-2008. Blue Tits, Bond Girls, and Friends. Yeah, it's this one is kind of like a donation. I'm not sure, but maybe it is like that. Yeah, I'm here because I'm going to buy something to eat. The time now is actually already, what time is it? Let me check. Yeah, this is my phone. Yeah, 1:35 already. Yeah, my phone, this is not good. It's always running out of battery. Okay, so this is what I got. This is $7. Meat pie and sausage roll. I am a little tempted to try this one. Yeah, kayak and paddleboard. I don't know how to swim. Yeah, we are back here in the car. And you know, it's getting hot here in the car. That's why I'm keeping the window open. If the window is open, I can even stay at the back without problem with the heat. This is delicious. Beef and mushroom. Okay, we are leaving this place. I feel that it is too hot at this car park. Okay, we are now here in Nelson Bay Port Shore. And yeah, the good thing, they removed already the barrier. You know, if you remember, there is a metal fence in here before. Yeah, they remove it because they already installed this actual barrier. This one. Yeah, nice. And this is how it is. It's a high tide. If you see, yeah, the water is reaching the staircase. Oh, I just received a message coming from the shop. Yeah, and he's asking me if I am okay to be day off tomorrow. I said yes because I like it. Yeah, it is now 6:37. Yeah, I'm making a pancit. I also went to the grocery. I bought egg and this. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is already 11:15. I am still day off today. Yeah, because yesterday chef called me. Sent me a message asking if I want to be day off today. I said yes, but that is in exchange of me to work next Monday. So next week I will have just 1 day off. This is what I am going to eat. Yeah, the pancit that I cooked last night. I'm recooking it by adding 2 eggs. Oh, I remember in the street of Bangkok, they have like an outdoor push cart with cooking equipment. Yeah, so they just crack the egg there, cook, and put the noodles, put the vegetable, everything. Yeah, usually pad thai, when they are cooking pad thai, they do like that. Check. What else? Ting. How many? Yeah, they asked like that to the customer. Okay, this is my lunch. And it is now 4:30. Yeah, I was just here in the house. I was editing some videos, doing some other computer works. And I also went to the car. I did some kind of improvements. Yeah, I basically installed this one. Yeah, an electrical outlet with USB-C and USB normal. Yeah, and 3 electrical outlets. It is now easy for me to cook rice. I will just put the rice cooker here or my water heater, water boiler, and plug it in. Because before I was using this one, this is just 3 meters. Yeah, so it's going messy here because of the cables coming from the power inverter. I roll it down there. Yeah, 5 meters, just enough. And we are now here in Albura Marina. Yeah, we're just going to walk around because it is not good that we are just sitting down in the house or laying in the bed or laying inside the van. Yeah, inside the van there's no way that I can get up like this. And another thing that I want to do is to buy a coffee. Yeah, from the ice creamery from here. Oh, they are already, they already closed the coffee machine. Yeah, I want to order a mocha, but yeah, coffee machine is already closed. Ice cream is still available, but yeah, I don't want ice cream this time. Let's have a look at the other coffee shop here. I think they are also closed, but let's see. I checked their menu, but I didn't see any coffee on the menu, so probably they don't have coffee. And most of the people inside, they are drinking beer or some kind of alcoholics. I don't know where I'm going to buy a coffee. Oh, there is a convenience store there, the newly opened one. Maybe they have coffee. Let's check. Oh yeah, they have coffee. Oh, very nice. Yeah, so I got this coffee. So basically this convenience store, they have that kind of machine that, yeah, like self-service, same like 7-Eleven and same like other convenience store in Sydney. Yeah, very nice. But this one is $2. Yeah, the one in the ice cream shop is actually $6. So I save $4. Yeah, very nice. And the lady inside is very nice. Yes, I said, do you have coffee? And she said, like excited, she said, yeah, we have. If you want me to do it for you, I will do it. And she does it for me. Yeah, because and then I said, yeah, first time is very confusing. So yeah, she did that. And yeah, she is nice. She is nice. It is actually a little cold. Even if I'm wearing this jumper, I'm still feeling the coldness. Look how less are the car park here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars. Over there, just beneath the moon, there's a man. Take up one more time. You will see the beauty in your eyes, and you will be there. Lots of kids over there, they are fishing. Also an adult. When I was a kid, my brothers, they are also fishing. Yeah, and they always bring me with them to go fishing. I was very little, less than 5 years old or 7 years old. Yeah, and I remember that they are able to catch crab and different fish. And usually the bait that they are using is the frog. But here in Australia, The bait they are using usually prawns, squid, and yeah, somewhere around in the area, in the Bay Area, you can buy a bait. Even the convenience store, there are also some in the like a bendo machine for the bait. Yeah, this is the bean chicken ibis. Oh, look at this bike. What happened? Oh, I think this bike is coming from the water. Oh, also this. Yeah, these things, they are actually coming from under the water. Yeah, look at that. You will really notice that because of these. They are still in uniform, school uniform. Oh, this is nice. Seems like this restaurant is again open. Yeah, if you remember, I've shown it to you and they closed already. Yeah, and I think they are open again. And they made it more beautiful, having this barrier. Yeah, it's more than a barrier, it's a design. Yeah, beautiful. In here also, there are kids fishing, even a mother fishing. And yeah, some of them is still in uniform, school uniform. Why does the sun go on shining? Why do the birds tend to fly? Don't they know? Oh, let me show you. So this is basically the fish market, seafood market here in Nelson Bay area. This is where you're going to see yeah, fish. I mean different fish and seafoods, crab, even oyster. Yeah, you can I mean different kind of fish, because you know, if you notice, most of the fish that you're going to see in the grocery, they are cut already. Yeah, it's like they've been frozen and then defrosted and sell. That's what I think. I'm not really sure, but in this area, this is where you're going to see the fresh seafood. But do you know that yeah, most of the restaurant here, most of the fish are actually still coming from Sydney. Yeah, I don't know why not coming locally. But the oyster, yeah, the oyster is actually locally harvested. Yeah, here in the area, in the Bay Area, in Salamander Bay. Actually, if you go to the beach area, particularly in the Soldiers Point area, in Salamander Bay area, if you look near the beach, you're going to see some like Oyster Farm. There are always people fishing here along the breakwater. This is what I don't like about this coffee. I mean coffee from the shops, because they easily become cold. Yeah, there are more group of people there. They are fishing also. Oh, do you know that if you get this, if you open this garbage bin, you'll be able to get at least $1. Yeah, because you know, some people, they don't really do the return and earn, so you'll be able to get this Coke bottle, and yeah, Coke in can, soft drinks in can, and if you put that in the return and earn, you get 10 cents for every bottle or every cans. But I don't want to do that. I don't know if a pub serve coffee. I don't know, because you know, a restaurant, some restaurant, they don't serve coffee. Yeah, like a restaurant, like a, you know, Thai restaurant or Asian restaurant or yeah, Chinese restaurant, they don't serve coffee. Yeah, just food, drinks, just like that. We are now here in the town center, and look at the trees. Yeah, you'll notice that yeah, they are springing now. Leaves are growing, it's becoming green again. Very nice. Yeah, during winter everything was dry, looked dry, but now it's going back to life. Oh, do you know that here in Australia, Yeah, a telephone booth like this is free to use, and there's a lot of this everywhere. Let's try. So you see that pre-national calls, Australia is Y. Let's try to call my number. Yeah, it is ringing now. That's why if you are walking around here in Australia and you see a telephone booth like that, it's free to use. Yeah, this was the construction that they are doing before. Oh, I am tempted to eat pizza. But yeah, today is not Tuesday. Today is yeah, Wednesday. So that's promotion every Tuesday. Yeah, here in Shaki Pizza, large pizza is just $6.50. It says large pizzas from $6.50 each, pick up only. And you know, when it is something like that, pick up only, yeah, I need to be I need to really think about it, because sometimes if you just pop up in the store and order, the price is different. Let's see if it is $6.50. Normally if you walk in, it's the price is different. Yeah, I think it's you need to call to have that kind of promotion. Yeah, I just checked the menu, and on the menu the pizza is actually $13. And now I am shy to buy to order. Yeah, I have been looking there at the menu, and the lady asked me, "Are you deciding still?" Yeah, and I said yes. Yeah, next time I will order online. Not today. I suddenly changed my mind. Look at this. There is this mural, and it looks beautiful. There are those camels and these birds. Yeah, really nice. If you go to Malaysia, yeah, I forgot the name of the place, Georgetown in Malaysia. Yeah, they have a different mural. In most, I think it's like the whole town, and not just murals, actually a lot of different arts on displays. Hey, there is a Domino's Pizza over there, and the same. Yeah, they usually have a promotion only for like a order online, or yeah, if you call or if you order by phone, yeah, it's cheaper. But if you go walk in and buy something, yeah, the price is regular. Yeah, it's so good to be back here in the car. Inside here, yeah, no harsh wind. Here's just good, the temperature.